Hello, my name is Aaron Johnston. I'm the Games Manager at Vodafone UK, and I'm going to introduce to you the Game Pack. There's two ways you can get the Game Pack. You can get it as an addition to your tariff, or you can get the Game Pack through Vodafone Live. So what I have here is the Games homepage on Vodafone Live, and you access the Games homepage by going to Vodafone Live and navigating to Games. And what you'll find on the Games homepage is a category section, and the service will be available in here. And for a limited time offer, it'll be available for £3 a month on a recurring subscription from Vodafone Live. That price will change to £5 shortly, or you can get it attached to your tariff. So the service, which I've put into this navigation menu here, is at live.vodafone.co.uk/playEA, capital P for play, capital E and capital A. So I'm just going to go to that site. Anyone can key that in and go to it directly if you want. And then you're presented with the service. And this is the Vodafone Game Pack. This is an all-you-can-eat subscription service. That means that every game that's in here, for the fee that you're paying on a monthly basis, is available for you to play at any time. For the Nokia N95 8GB, which is the phone I'm using right now, there's currently 28 games. We expect most handsets supported from launch to have at least about 20 games on launch, and we'll be ramping that up to 30 and 40 games almost immediately. So this is the launch version of the service. Currently, it says that I'm not in a subscription. If I was a tariff customer, I would see a different message here letting me know that I'm free to download content. I'm going to sign up in just a few minutes. There's terms and conditions of the service, which is how you use it and cancel it and play. And you can discover content in the service just by clicking on the games. We have the most downloaded games and a category link to all of them, what's new on the service, and we also have categories, and it tells you how many games are inside of the categories. So if you're watching that, you'll know what's available for you on an ongoing basis. So I'm going to take a look at one of my favorite games, Super Puzzle Bobble. This game normally is £5 for purchase on Vodafone Live, and available as part of this service, it's almost free. So big banner on the top, there's game graphics, so you have a sense of what the gameplay is going to look like. The file size, so you know what you're going to download. The download is included, there's no additional data costs for downloading the service. Gives you a description of the game. And then if I'm a subscriber, this is going to be a download link, but because I'm not a subscriber, it gives me a different link, which is to sign up. So I'm going to go through and sign up for £3 a month. As long as I'm paying the £3, I can continue to use these games and play them as much as I like. If I stop paying, then all of the games on my phone will stop working at the anniversary of my sign up. So if I've signed up on the 4th of June, and I cancel in the middle of the month of June, I have until the 4th of July to continue playing those games. So it's a monthly subscription, you pay in advance, and when you cancel, you get to play until the anniversary. So I'm going to add £3 to my bill. It goes through the normal purchase process, which is what you see whenever you download a game or a piece of content from Vodafone Live. It returns me to a successful status, and I'm now going to download the game that I've just purchased. So yes, I'm going to download it. I'm going to receive a security warning, which is something that the handsets do, but these games have all been tested, so they're safe to install. Gives me details and a location as to where I can install the game, and I'm going to download and install the game now. Little file, fast download, again that was free. And when it's completed installation, I'm actually going to open the game and show you what it's like to play the game and what your experience is going to be when you have the games on your handset. So I've just completed downloading the game from the service. On this Nokia N95, I'm going to go in and I'm going to find the game that I've just downloaded. Different phones, again, store games in different locations, so consult the documentation that came with your phone. And I'm going to launch Super Puzzle Bubble, which is what I just downloaded from the service. Now it's going to ask me if I will allow it to use the network to send or receive data or a similar message. What the game wants to do is it wants to connect with the network to check the status of your subscription. This data connection doesn't cost you anything. This is included in the cost of the service. But every few plays, the game will have to check the server, and then on the anniversary of your subscription, it will also need to check the server again just to make sure that you're in credit. So I'm going to choose the connection type. It's going to connect to the server. It's now come back and release the game, and off I go. I'm just going to play. I've just finished playing my game. I'm going to return to the service so that I can get more. If you've attached this to your tariff as part of your fee that you pay to Vodafone every month as a contract customer, when you activate the service, you will receive a text link that will take you to the service. If you save that text message and the link that's in it, you'll always be able to access the service. Another way of accessing the service is inside of the game that you downloaded. So on the bottom right hand side you'll see it says account, and that soft key will actually take me back to the service. The play key will take me through to play the game. So I'm going to choose account. Yes, I'd like to rejoin the service. It's going to launch a WAP browser, and I already had the Vodafone Live page open. So it's now loaded the game service on top, and again I can go through and browse. So the way you can get to the service is three ways: from the text message you received when you added this to your tariff, from inside of the game by clicking the account key, or by going to Vodafone Live to the game section and finding the service from that route.